Hello and bah humbug. Hummus and tahini have the exact same ingredients besides the fact that hummus has hummus. So tahini sauce is just hummus without the hummus. That means whenever you're making hummus, you might as well make tahini sauce. But if you're making hummus and you're making tahini sauce, well now you have to make balila. Balila is so simple and so delicious and so overlooked. I don't understand why this dish isn't more popular. To make balila, you simply take a cup of cooked garbanzo beans. I take mine out about halfway if you're making hummus from dried beans. Add a quarter cup of tahini sauce, link in the top right corner and in the description. And a quarter cup of hummus, link in the top right corner and in the description as well. And mix them together. This is a hot dish, so it's best to make it while your hummus is still hot. Garnish with extra virgin olive oil, ground cumin, and I also like to put a little bit of sumac and parsley. And that is balila, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.